Yes, sir. Welcome to my channel. About to make it happen again. It's Good Kitchen. So we have some beef steaks right here. We're about to make some Mongolian beef. We have our garlic chopped up, our ginger. We have our pepper pops. I already pulled the seeds out. If you don't want it to be too spicy, make sure you dump the seeds out your little peppers right there. We have our green onions, the white part of the green onions, and a couple white onion. And we have our scallops. I just call them green onions. So we're about to make some Mongolian beef. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this meat up. We're gonna make it happen. Okay, so we already ate thin, so we don't have to worry about too much of really beating it, but we're gonna give it a nice marinade. We're gonna let it sit for 20 minutes. So I'm just gonna cut them like that, chop it like that. They didn't have no fling steak, so if you that's what they prefer to use. So I'm just gonna use, this beef steak. Alright, so we just get them thin like that. Okay. So I beat it just a little bit with my knife. That's it. So if you want to flat it more or just make it tender, because when you beat your meat, it's going to be extra tender. So I beat it a little bit with the knife. So now we go ahead and place it in our bag. Then we're going to add our marinade. Okay, so this is how we're going to marinate. We'll do some baking powder. We'll do 1, 2 tablespoons. Cornstarch. 1, 2 and a half. Baking soda. One. 2. That's it. I'll mix everything together. Mess, but it's okay, we just cleaned it up. It's my wife laughing at me. Okay, take our oyster sauce. And some sherry cooking wine. Right there. Now we go mix everything together. And we're gonna put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Okay, so we just have cornstarch. So what you want to do, just go ahead and put some cornstarch on your hand, and boom, pat it down like so. Set it to the side. Just like that. Get both sides. Just like chicken, you know. But we're just using cornstarch. That's it. You just want it to set. You want to give it a nice little color. That's it. Pat it down just like so. And there we go. Okay, so we have our vegetable oil. And give it a nice little color. We're going to use some of that grease. We're going to drain most of it. Okay, so this how we looking right here. Nice color to them. When I say it's extra tender, extra tender. Give them like a couple minutes in this grease, and you're good. Look at that. Alright, so we have our garlic, and ginger, and we have our little peppers. Like I said, make sure you pull them seeds out if you don't want it to be too spicy. So I drank all the oil, just added 1/3 cup of some new oil. Right here. Okay, so I didn't measure because we have a lot of meat, but I'm gonna give it a nice tablespoon of cornstarch. We want that to go ahead and thicken up. So we have our soy sauce, low sodium, and oyster sauce. Fire on low. sugar. I'm using white sugar. 2 tablespoons. We have our honey. So now, let's go ahead and add our meat. And just mix it in. Just like so. Good right there. Turn the fire off. Everything mixed in. Smell good, huh? It's homemade. You can make this right at home, just like so. Homemade. There we go right there. And I want to say shout out to one of my family members because they didn't want to bring this to my attention. Shout out to you, Sheena. Here we go right here. I done did my thing in this good kitchen. That's how we doing it. Okay, so here we go right here. I done made it happen in this good kitchen. We have our Mongolian beef made right here at home. You know it's safer at home. You don't have to go nowhere. You can make it for your lady, or your lady can make it for you. Y'all can make it happen right here in y'all good kitchen. And all my good family and friends out there, if y'all have anything on the menu y'all want me to put together in my kitchen, just let me know. And I'll make it happen, shout you out, all that good stuff, and let you know it's done. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and don't forget, hit that like button. That's helping my videos, that's helping my channel. Other than that, I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget, hit that bell notification, like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice.